Hello, welcome to the 7th edition of the Tours of the Golden Square Mile mansions in Montreal. After a few weeks hiatus, I actually went to New York and came back and had to quarantine for 2 weeks, but finally I'm free. We're standing in front of the Clarence De Sola house. He was a famous Canadian financier, born actually in Canada, 1858, and he was a prolific Jewish leader here in Montreal, and he had a successful steel business. With the Belgian steel company. He brought over all the steel work for the railways and the bridges. His family actually originated from Spain, and the style of the house is Moorish. As you can see, it has a lot of beautiful Moorish Spanish architectural detailing, the deep corbel roof line, as well as the clay tile on the roof, and all the arches over each of the doors in the Moorish style. All the detailed filigree is very characteristic of the Moorish style. It is a gorgeous, beautiful house. I hope you love it.